Welcome to my channel Global Game Tales. Do like and subscribe my channel and watch the video completely. So let's start. These poetry celebrate the profound bond between fathers and their children, expressing gratitude, love, and admiration. Close your eyes and feel each word. A father's love, a guiding light. His wisdom shines, so pure and bright. In his embrace, all trouble cease. His presence brings a sense of peace. Father's hands, strong and kind. A fortress of love, a gentle mind. With every hug, he heals the pain. His words of wisdom, a lifelong gain. Father's smile, a beacon of joy. His love for us, nothing can destroy. Through thick and thin, he stands tall. A hero in every child's recall. In father's eyes, faith we see. Unwavering support, always free. His laughter echoes in our soul, making us feel complete and whole. Father's heart, a treasure trove, filled with warmth and endless love. His sacrifices, silent and deep. A bond with him, we forever keep. Father's words, like soothing balm, calming storms, bringing us calm. His advice, a guiding star, leading us, no matter how far. Father's embrace, safe and warm, sheltering us from life's storm. His strength, a pillar so true, always there to see us through. Father's prayers, a whispered plea. For our happiness, his heart does plead. His blessings follow us each day, lighting up our chosen way. Father's dreams, for us to chase. With his love, we find our place. His hopes, like wings, set us free, to become who we're meant to be. Father's footsteps, steady and sure, guiding us to success, secure. His belief in us, unwavering and strong, fills our hearts with a lifelong song. Father's patience, a gentle stream, teaching us to believe in our dream. His laughter rings in our ears, erasing all our doubts and fears. Father's teachings, pearls of wisdom, lighting up our lives when we miss him. His lessons stay, forever cherished. In our hearts, his love never perished. Father's love, like a sheltering tree, providing shade for you and me. His kindness, a gift beyond measure, filling our lives with boundless pleasure. Father's guidance, like a steady hand, leading us through life's shifting sand. His words of encouragement, a constant flow, making our spirits glow and grow. Father's sacrifices, silently made, for our happiness, his own dreams fade. His selfless love, a beacon bright, guiding us through darkest night. Father's laughter, a melody sweet, in his presence, all worries retreat. His jokes and stories, a treasure trove, filling our lives with joy and love. Father's embrace, firm and tight, assuring us, everything's alright. His warmth, a blanket in cold, giving us strength, making us bold. Father's advice, like a compass true, pointing us towards skies so blue. His words of wisdom, a priceless gift, lifting our spirits, our souls they lift. Father's support, a rock so strong, with him by our side, we belong. His belief in us, a guiding light, showing us the path, so right. Father's love, deep as the sea, endless and vast, pure and free. His presence, a blessing each day. In his arms, all worries sway. Father's courage, a beacon bright, guiding us through the darkest night. His strength, a fortress, steadfast and true, always there, to see us through. Father's wisdom, a treasure trove, guiding us with the lessons he wove. His love, unconditional and pure, forever in our hearts, it will endure. Father's pride, in our every stride. With his love, we soar so wide. His joy, our successes unfold, makes us feel precious, like gold. Father's dreams, for our tomorrow, filled with hope, banishing sorrow. His vision, for a future bright. With his love, we take flight. Father's hugs, warm and tight, filling our hearts with delight. His laughter, a melody sweet, making our lives complete. Father's care, a gentle embrace, a refuge in life's hectic race. His presence, a comforting glow, making our world aglow. Father's love, an endless stream. In his eyes, our hopes gleam. His faith in us, a guiding force, charting our course. Father's pride, in our every feat. His support, unwavering and sweet. His belief in us, a steady shore, making our journey move. Father's love, beyond compare. His sacrifices, our lives they bear. His strength, a pillar tall. With him, we stand tall. Father's love, a gift so grand. In his embrace, we always land. His love, our anchor true. Forever grateful, we are to you. Thank you for watching completely. Hope you liked my unique poetry composition and looking forward to bring more unique content for you. Do like the video, share it and subscribe my channel.